Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
People have done some horrible things to get rid of their unwanted animals. From dumping them at the side of the road to tying them to a post in the middle of nowhere and driving away. There are plenty of better options, such as turning them into an animal shelter, but people rarely want to pay the surrender fee. This dog was unfortunate enough to be one of those unlucky animals who get stranded by themselves. Normally, a stray animal would try to forage for itself in order to survive. After all, they're descended from wolves and have some instinct of hunting. When a father and his son were out riding their motorcycles, they came upon a dog carrier that had the top of it chewed out. It was a confusing sight to see, and stopped to see if they could figure out the mystery. What they found inside was a starving dog who couldn't get out. They took pity on the poor animal and opened the door. The poor dog had been locked up in there for so long that it was hunched over and couldn't walk properly. Not wanting to leave the animal alone, they returned with a truck and ended up taking the dog home. The first thing he got was a bath, and then some food to fill his belly. Now, with his new parents and family, he no longer has to worry about where his next meal comes from. Named Charlie Bravo, or CB for short, the happy black pooch can have a real bed to lie in.